Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert a list into a task on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on Touch ID or passcode to unlock the application, select your list, and tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find this Convert to Task option and tap on it. Now your list has been converted into a task, so if you go to your tasks by tapping on this button in the upper left corner and click on the calendar option, you will be able to see that your list has been converted into a task. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.